morning, children. Children, welcome to video class. Children, in previous class, I have completed the VR trees lesson. No, children, lesson 4, VR trees. Now, I am going to explain you the grammar part. The grammar part, which is in the back of the lesson, children. Page 936. Page 36. Fill the blanks with suitable words. Page 36, children. Those are having term books open and with the help of this video, write the answers. Fill the blanks with suitable words. First one, there is no blank on the earth without trees. Life. What is the answer, children, in that blank? Life. There is no life without trees because trees are the main source. Trees give vegetables. We have learned in the lesson of children, trees give abundant source, what? Vegetables, fresh air, fruits, everything we get. The trees pure the air also. So they are the life. Second one, we make furniture with blank wood. Wood. Second blank answer, wood, children. Third one, trees make the blank pure and clean. Trees make air pure and clean. Then next one, fourth one, trees give us blank to live, oxygen. Very, very important. Trees give oxygen, which is the main criteria. Fifth one, some parts of some plants are used in making medicines. What is this, children? Medicines. Some we get medicines, herbs are used in medicines. Then next page, children, 37 page. We are having some verb forms. End of the sentence, they have given one word. With the help of that word, we should fill that blanks. Children. Page 37, children. Next page only. Verb forms, children. First one, A wit and B wit. What they have given? Trees, blank as food, brackets give. What we should write? Give only. Then next one, B. Trees, blank as wool, blank not give. What they have given? Not give. Now we should write, this is the wrong form. We should write, do not. They do not give wool. They do not give wool. We get wool from sheep. Trees doesn't give us wool. So we should write, not give is wrong form. We should write, do not give. With the help of these words, we should fill up these blanks, children. Next, second one also, A with B blank furniture with wood. What we should write, children? Make. They have given make. We should write also make. This is the correct form of the word. Then second one, B blank close with wood. Then do not. They have given not make. What we should write? Do not. Do not make. They have given not make. We should write do not make. Then third one, A bit. Trees give shelter to animals. What they are going to give? Give is correct form of the word. Then second one, trees blank shelter to all animals. We should write do not give shelter to the animals. We should fill up this second one, B blank with do not give. Then fourth one, trees blank water in the form of vapor. Then blank release. Second one, B part, trees blank water in its original form, do not release. What is the one second? B part, children, do not release. We can plant crops on plain land. The answer is grow. Answer is suitable word is grow. Then next one, we can plant crops in a desert. We can plant crops in a desert. We cannot. We should write We cannot grow crops in the desert. Children, last one. Which words in the text mean the same as? Underneath the one, another one is there. Same meanings which are drawn from the textbook. This one, children. What they have given? Not useful. Not useful. That is useless. Not useful means useless. See part. Second one, not take, give. Not take, give. Third one, not dead, alive. Not dead, alive. The given and these are the same meanings. They are not hot, cold. Not hot, cold. Then fifth one, not wet, dry. Not wet, dry. Then next page, children. The next page, some pictures are there. See, children, in the page 38, pictures are there. What are these children? Pictures are there. What we should do is, we should identify the pictures which we get from the trees. We should pick them. You can see the pictures now, children. See, look at the pictures, write a word from the text under each them. Tick the words which are obtained from trees. See, if the what are here some pictures are there. In first picture we can see insects, second picture we can see clothes, and third one we can see what, children? Here window, a table, and here vegetables, and here a man, and here a stove. See, children, we should identify these pictures. We should write the name, spelling underneath the given line. I'll show you, children, once. See, children, this one, page 38. Page 38. The pictures are there. See, first picture, insects. We should write the insects in that under given line. Insects we don't get from the trees. Insects. So we put that picture near the picture into. If you put that picture, because we don't get insects from the trees. Next one, clothes. Clothes we get from trees. Cotton plant we get. So put tick there near that clothes. Then next one, window and shade. Window and shade. Write in the blank, children. Window and shade. We get window and shade are made from wood. So we get wood from the trees. So that is correct one. Next one, vegetables. Vegetables. Write in that line vegetables and put tick there. Next, man. We don't get people from the trees. So it is wrong. Put wrong there. And there is next one, last one is stove. We don't get stove from these appliances. We don't get from the trees. So put wrong. These are wrong. See, children, insects, man and stove we don't get from trees. We don't obtain these from trees. Only clothes, window and chair clothes we get from plants. And window and chair we get from wood. They are made by wood. From trees we get, and vegetables also we get some from plants. Then, children, next one, some blanks are there. Complete these sentences. In page 39, blanks are there, children. I will write here to copy them. Page 39. See, children, page 39. Complete this sentence with the plurals. They have given singular. We should complete the word. We should write the singular word. We should write the singular word to the plural word, children. First one. Trees have blank. What they are given? Leaf. For leaf, singular. Plural is leaves. Leaf is one and leaves are many. Then second one. There are many kinds of blank in the shop. Knife. Knife, singular. Knives are plural. Knives are plural. Third one. Many people lost their dash in recent floods. Life, they are given in bracket life. For life is singular and lives are plural word. Life, singular, life, plural, lives. And fourth one, many blanks spend their time watching TV serials. Housewife. For housewife, singular word. Housewife, plural word is housewives. Housewives. Children, with the help of this video, you write the answers in the textbook and back of the side of the lesson, children. Thank you.